The cat. I bet you think I'm a cat that cuddled warmly near and dozed off next to the worm that doesn't tickle or frighten her. However, what can you know about my daydreams? About such everyday life fur, on tips of which is held beginning of spring, and the general world balance. It is still expanding. About my tail that steers the oceans somewhere in planets distant, at least on a few. About the eyes that overwatch death and protect beloved ones from it only because she is not afraid of it. Death is meant. I purr and smile because the cat can't surrender. Life's nine are not so many, and I have only one left, if any. I stretch and sleep on your knees. That's all day long. But in fact, I listen to tremors of ground, horses' patter, or barely felt move of the air. Something will happen, and you will understand my sigh. I will scream like no living furry with paws four has ever screamed before, to warn, this is the end, already here, hide. And then I will brown-eyed look at all that is left, and will go to cook something for lunch. What else matters in forest of ruins when the world comes to end? The cat, fluffy and warm, that the news bunch didn't watch. She some other way knew, followed in footsteps. Only cats the lasting feeling of home protect. Even if everything that remains are doors and stairs, back entrance. Give me matches. Gentle